Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to do Archero 2 glitch, but in the beginning, I will tell you that this game is made by professionals because there are not a lot of glitches or bugs, guys. But unfortunately, there is a little glitch, and in this video, I will show you how you can do it, guys. So this glitch works in ruins. So when you try to open the ruins, guys, there is a high possibility that you will open higher quality things, guys. So when you try to open the rune chest, first of all, you need to open the corners, guys. So you need to open the corners, and there is high chance that you will get the high quality prizes, guys. So try to open the corners first. Let's try again. I'll try it 5 times. So let's open the corners. After you will open the corners, then you can open the middle one. And then you can choose any of this. So as you can see, guys, we won a lot of runes, guys. So let's try again. Open the side ones. Then open the middle one. And that's how you can get higher quality runes in ruins, guys. So that's the glitch. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.